Hi, I'm Barney Moore, CEO here at Purus Energy, and this is our fixed solar panel ground mount system. So our first job is to set our legs out. They'll come numbered 1, 2, 3. So we'll just set them out roughly for our rails. So the first 2 rails in the first section are different to the others because they've got 2 clips on. So if we put the top rail on first, get one of our screws, clip the rail on. The holes in these are pre-drilled because we've put them on before, but you can put the rails wherever you want to suit which panels you're using. So there's a bolt either side to go in. Next we get the bottom rail. Again, these holes have already been drilled because we've had this one together before. And then we get the rest of the rails now are the same. They come with 1 clip. They just slot in there like that. Move our leg into position. And again, put in our metal tip. Now we get our final rail. We slot it into position there. We move our leg into place and put in our final bolt. Just to keep it all stable and square, we screw in our cross pieces. And then we put the opposite one on this side.
Good, that's it. Right.
Now that's in place, that's nice and strong, it's held square. We're now ready to attach it to the ground feet or the ground screws or sleepers, whichever is your preferred method. The holes will already be pre-drilled. If you're using our ground screw, it will stick out of the ground roughly 200 mil. But if not, if you're using sleepers or concrete, if you want, we do an additional leg that will bolt between there and the floor to lift this up to allow for wind to come underneath, grass to be trimmed, animals to go around them. To attach our panels, we use these. So quite simply, you clip that around the steel. Your bolt will come through the top of your panel with the pre-drilled holes that come in the panel. You'll slide that from the panel through both holes, do the nut up, and your panel will then be secured safely. This rail system can also be used with our adjustable system, or if you'd rather, you can use your own fast and sole rails to attach your panels. This has been designed to take 3 of the 405 watt panels, and you can simply join on from here by slotting into there up to 24 panels long.